The ARRT Radiation Therapy exam is the final step to your career. Here's your guide to passing it. The ARRT Radiation Therapy Credential, or RTT, is your license to treat cancer. In 2026, the exam is a 230-minute, computer-based test with 230 multiple-choice questions. Only 200 of these items are scored. The other 30 are unscored pilot questions. To pass, you need a scaled score of 75, which, according to recent ARRT data, corresponds to answering approximately 68% of the scored items correctly. This credential is the national standard required by every major cancer center for employment. Before you can sit for the exam, you must meet two key requirements: graduation from a JRCERT accredited radiation therapy program and successfully passing the ARRT ethics review. Be aware that as of February 2025, ARRT increased the exam's difficulty. While the passing score is still a scaled 75, the number of correct items needed to achieve it is now approximately 7 questions higher than the previous standard. This makes a structured study plan more critical than ever for candidates testing in 2026. The 200 scored questions on your exam are divided into 3 major content categories. The largest, procedures, makes up a massive 51% of the total score. This is where your clinical knowledge is tested. The second category is safety, accounting for 25.5% of the exam and covering topics like radiation physics, radiobiology, and protection. Finally, patient care covers the remaining 23.5%, focusing on patient interactions, management, and medical records. Understanding this distribution is the first step to building an effective study schedule. Since procedures accounts for over half your score, let's look closer. This category tests your knowledge of clinical techniques across 4 subcategories. You'll be tested on treatment sites and tumors, from breast and lung to CNS and pediatrics. It also covers treatment volume localization, including CT simulation and image-guided verification like CBCT. Finally, it dives deep into dose calculations and the delivery of advanced treatments like IMRT, VMAT, SBRT, and Brachytherapy. Mastering these areas is essential for passing the exam. The safety category, at 25.5%, combines radiation physics, radiobiology, and protection. This is where you'll see questions on photon interactions, beam characteristics, and dose calculation methods. It also includes critical radiobiology concepts like the 5 Rs and cell survival curves. On the protection side, you must know occupational and public dose limits, ARRT principles, and daily machine quality assurance based on AAPM TG142. This section ensures you can operate equipment and handle radiation sources safely and effectively. Finally, patient care makes up 23.5% of your exam. This category assesses your ability to manage the patient through their entire treatment course. Key topics include therapeutic communication, infection control, and assessing vital signs. You must be able to recognize and grade acute toxicities, like skin reactions, using the RTOG scale, and know how to respond to urgent situations, like spinal cord compression. It also covers proper documentation in systems like ARIA or Mosaic, ensuring a complete and accurate medical record. You now have a clear roadmap of the 2026 ARRT Radiation Therapy exam. But this is just the start. Our full online guide dives deeper into every subcategory with high-yield facts, calculation cheat sheets, and worked examples for lung SBRT and cervix brachytherapy. Start studying smarter today. Visit openexamprep.com to read the complete guide and access hundreds of free, category-specific practice questions to test your knowledge.